am Dr. Krishna Reddy Taduri, consultant endocrinologist, KIMS Hospitals, Kondapur. Today I would like to discuss what type of foods to be eaten by diabetic patients during night. So, unfortunately, majority of patients, even the people, even living in around urban areas, so they're doing a very late dinners and having dinners at around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, even later time of the day. So having the meal at a later time of the day will cause full stomach. If you sleep on the full stomach, there will be glycemic excursions will be there, and that will related to the more fat accumulation and obesity, and not giving a proper rest time for the GAT and other organ systems. So those are also abnormally raises the cortisol hormone responses. So this will alter a lot of body metabolic changes. So that's the reason why. So you need to finish your dinner early. So ideally, I can say below 7 p.m. Before 7 p.m. if you can finish the dinner, so that will be ideal. And if you have your breakfast after 8 a.m., so at least there is a good amount of 13 hours of gap and the rest for the GAT system. That will help in your better biological processes. And what food should be taken during the dinner time? If you say, especially these carbohydrate foods and high amount of fat foods, these should be avoided during the night time. So I would say that you need to cut down your carbohydrate portion, like rice and chapati or rotis or any ragi, millet and oats. So these amounts should be taken in mild quantities, and oil should be taken in the mild to moderate quantities, and it should be contain a lot of protein, as well as lot of vegetables for your proper GA movements and proper bowel habits. So finishing the dinner as early as 7 p.m. and having a less amount of carbohydrates, that means in the form of less rice and less roti and chapati, and a mild to moderate amount of oils, and good amount of proteins in the form of either egg whites or pulses or any paneer or moderate non-veg items like white meat, like chicken and fish items. So these are also you can take, and you can add also one, especially diabetic patients, you can have some guava, pomegranate, like non-sugary, non-sweetened fruits, so you can consume. And as well as you can take a lot of salads also, which will don't put a lot of stress on your glycemic excursions, as well as your pancreatic beta cells to secrete more insulin. So because we don't have good physical activity during the night, so your body doesn't require much calories. So you need to cut down and finish the dinner as early as possible, so that your sugar can be kept in check. Thank you.